children, today let's start with chapter number 5, our forest. So let's study about the forest. It is a large area of land thickly covered by trees. A wide variety of trees, plants, creepers, shrubs, bushes and grasses grow in forest. They grow and survive on their own. Grow करते हैं, अपने आप survive करते हैं. That is why they are called natural resources. Forests are also home to number of wild animals. Ideally, 1/3 of the total land area of our country should be covered with forest. But present, only 1/5, that is 20% of land is covered with forest. Now look around your home and school and write things that you get from forest. So uses of forest. Let's study about the uses. Forests are an important gift of nature which are very useful to us in many ways. Some of these uses are timbers, paper and medicines. Right? Next is forests are the lungs of our environment. They keep the air fresh and cool. Trees gives us oxygen which all living needs to be. They provide us with food and fruits. So the roots of plants hold the soil in its place and hence reduce soil erosion. Forests also increase the rainfall by releasing moisture into the air. Dead leaves, wings turns into human and add fertility to the soil. They provide shelter to the birds and animals. So what forests are a great place of relaxing and do different activities like camping, bird and works. Forests provide us many products such as timber which is used for making furniture, houses, railway sleepers, tools and matchsticks. So we can see that paper is made from wood pulp. Medicines are made from the roots, bark, leaves, stems of some plants. Forests provide us firewood which is used as fuel for cooking mainly in village. Now forest people. In India, different states have different tribes. Right? These tribes differ from each other in their own culture, clothes, language, handicrafts, religion. Tribal people very much depends on the forest for their survival. So tribes and people residing in the village around the forest depend on their food or forest. They also take cattle to forest to graze and collect fodder from them. They gather fuel, food and charcoal for cooking and other purpose. Local people collect timber from forest or for making household articles. So rearing of bees for honey. It is called another use of forest. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Honey bee rearing. A considerable portion of India lives in forest. These tribes are the living example of how life earlier was. जो tribal people होते थे आपके, उनको हम आदिवासीज कहते थे. वो अपनी जो लाइफ है फॉरेस्ट पे डिपेंड होती थी फॉर फूड, वाटर एंड अदर नेसेसिटीज. Our country in India has wide and rich ecosystem which helps in great variety tribes to grow. Tribal people जो उड़ीसा के, आंध्र प्रदेश के, what we call them hunter and gatherers. They usually cook food और जो oil extract है होगा का मसाल and महुआ, they are fully depend on forest resources. Right? जिसमें हमारे कुछ tribal groups जैसे Gond, Santals, Khasis, Garos, Mundars they. Now depletion of forests. You can see that forests are depleting day by day. Humans have cleared forests to build farmland, cities and roads for the requirements of wood and space. The leaves of the land bare of vegetation. What it increase soil erosion by wind and water. Flowing of farmland leaves the soil loose and it can be. Forests also give shelter and protection to many animals. Due to deforestation, some animals are dying as there is a decline in their prey and source. So they do not get enough to eat. Excessive cutting down of forests have robbed tribal for their means of livelihood. Right? So what is forest conservation? If the environment has to be saved, we will have to save our forests and trees. Trees are our helpers and friends. Trees are useful to us in many ways. Their roots hold the soil firmly and prevent from getting washed away with the rains and flood. They help in the increasing rain. They also release oxygen, which is used to breathe. Planting trees or afforestation is very effective in preventing soil erosion, especially in hilly areas. जो grass grown होते हैं slopes areas, what they prevent soil erosion, which is caused by what? Water flowing down the slopes. We can protect our environment by preserving our existing forest and preventing from being cut down. Cutting and burning of the trees have forced wild animals to flee from natural habitat. Many animals, they are dying and they are becoming extinct, right? Some of them are considered endangered. Tigers and dinosaurs in India, they are getting less every year. Why? Due to their loss of habitat and poaching. Great Indian bustard, a beautiful bird nearly the size of young ostrich, is almost extinct. Government of India has started many programs of forest conservation. One Mahotsav, joint forest management and soil forestry project type. To protect animals and plants from their natural form, government ने क्या करा? National parks और wildlife sanctuaries को set up करा. How many we have? 100 national parks and how many? 550 wildlife sanctuaries. Right? So we have Kaziranga, Manas in Assam, Bandipur in Karnataka, Pariyar in Kerala, Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand, Kana in Madhya Pradesh, Ranthambore and Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sundarban in West Bengal. Now, World Environment Day. People all over the world have become extinct and they are aware of the duty to preserve the environment. So, that everyone can lead to a healthy life, in 1972 United Nations General Assembly, they decided to dedicate a day to raise environmental awareness and to encourage action to protect the environment. 5 June it is celebrated as World Environment Day. CIPCO movement. Government alone cannot save us. We all are responsible and we should help. So it's a best example of CIPCO movement. In 1970, group of villagers, Uttarakhand, they acted to prevent cutting down of forest by hugging. ऐसा उनको पकड़ लिया, hug कर लिया. The action inspired hundreds of such actions and spread throughout the India to stop deforestation to a large extent. Sundarlal Bagona was the leader of this villagers. He fought for the preservation of forest in Himalaya until the death. This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.